What's up, everybody? It's your boy Handy Danny, and as you can see right here, this door is not closing properly. So sometimes you have an issue with a door where it just doesn't close. So I've already kind of been messing with it a little bit, and I've already diagnosed that it needs a shim. So when I remove this hinge right here, I have all 4 screws, but I already took 2 of them out, but I have a piece of cardboard here. And this piece of cardboard is about 4 or 5 inches because in the commercial door here that I'm working with here, I'm able to kind of stuff it in there and it'll stay for me. Okay, so I make the shim just a little bit longer. I'm gonna just put 2 screws in just to see how it's gonna hit for me before I put all 4 of them in there. And now that I've shimmed that hinge, we'll let the door close and presto. Works like magic every time. So if you have a door that's not closing properly, a lot of times it just needs a shim. So you notice that I put the shim on this side of the hinge for it to close when the door wasn't closing. Say it was a situation where you got such a big gap here, you can put the shim on the other side and it'll push the door that way more and it'll close that gap right there within your reveal. So if you, once again, are a homeowner, if you purchased a home, or your existing home, if you notice that your doors are just not closing properly, because every door should just swing and close all on its own. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I got another person calling me for some work. See you later. Peace out.